Hi, I'm Sam from Hankotrade, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss and take profit when you're in an existing trade. So, as you can see, we are in an existing trade. Now, we sold the euro US dollar. We're up $5 at the moment, but we haven't got a stop loss or take profit set. So what we're going to do is go ahead and set a stop loss and take profit. So here is the active trade that is open right now. It shows you your net profit and loss, the open price, etc., the lot size used, the instrument, everything you need to know. So we're just going to go ahead and right click it and go to stop. Okay, so this is to edit your stop loss. Limit is your take profit. And should we want to get out of this trade, we can just go ahead and click close position. But we're not going to do that. We're going to enter a stop loss. So I'm going to hit stop. And here we can enter the stop loss. So we can either enter it by price. So if we want to enter it at 7,940, for example, so we can, 7,940, we can even do it just by typing it. And it will give us a projected profit and loss. So if it does stop us out, it will be we'll lose $29. And that's basically 3.1 pips away. But we're happy to risk $29 here. We can also set a trailing stop loss should we want to. Okay. So a trailing stop loss, as explained in the last video, is as the market moves down, we can set it to be away a certain amount of pips away from us. And should it go, so we could set it, for example, 5 pips away. So should the market go 5 pips up now, it will take us out. Okay, so we can have, it's good in the trending conditions, the trailing stop loss can be useful. But we're going to go ahead and set the stop loss to 7,940. Click OK. So now our stop loss is set to 7,940 right here. And before it takes us out, we're going to set a take profit. So we go to limit. And once again, just like the stop loss, we can set it by price or by distance. Okay, so what's quite cool is if we up the distance, we can actually know how much we're projected to get. So we're projected to get $51 here, or if we want to go a bit further down to maybe 7,860, which is what we're at, to be fair, is $51. Okay, and if we go 10 pips away, $92. So we actually know what we are going to make. We don't have to do the mathematics in our head of how much is a pip for the lot size we used, etc., etc. We know exactly how much we're going to make in this trade. Okay, so we're gonna set it to $60. We're quite like that, 6 pips away. Great. Click OK, and that's it. Now our take profit is down here. Stop loss is just above here, and we can just let this trade play out. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you understood and learned how to set a stop loss and a take profit on an ongoing trade where you haven't got that set yet. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.